it feel like last week that you the one.
What is good, you got? My name is Reaper, back with a reaction video for today. For today, guys, we're going to be reacting to Wormholes Explained. So when it comes to wormholes and stuff like that, I didn't really understand that much about it. What's the point of it? Why does it even exist? What happens if you enter a wormhole? I heard that when you enter a black hole, which is a wormhole and a black hole, first of all, the same thing or different? Because I heard that, I don't know if they're the same or the same thing or they're different, but I heard that in a black hole, if you enter a black hole, you will stretch, like your body, your whole body will stretch until like you can't stretch no more, and then your body will die. But it will stretch like a lot, like you'll still survive even though it's stretching like a lot, and then eventually you'll die. In a wormhole, I have no idea. People made up these, like, you know, funny stuff like, oh, you're in a wormhole, you go out through the wormhole, you're in another dimension, or it's like sort of like a time traveling type of thing. I never really knew what it meant, you know what I'm saying, or what it was. So we're gonna be reacting to, in a nutshell, by this. I think he's Russian, or is Russian or Germany? I'm sorry if I don't know which one it's called, but yeah, a lot of you guys like when I react to the bomb one, like if you bomb like a sea or whatever, I forgot what it's called. And yeah, let's get right into the video. Smash that like button if you guys are new. Let's get right into this video, guys. Let's see if we can aim for about 100 likes on this video, and let's get it.
If you saw a wormhole in reality, it would appear round, spherical, a bit like a black hole.
Okay.
Light from the other side passes through and gives you a window to a faraway place.
Okay.
Once crossed, the other side comes fully into view, with your old home now receding into that shimmering spherical window. But are wormholes real, or are they just magic disguised as physics and maths?
Oh!
If they are real, how do they work, and where can we find them?
That's what I'm saying, like, is it even real? That's what I'm trying to say, is it even real, though?
For most of human history, we thought space was pretty simple. A big, flat stage where the events of the universe unfold. Even if you take down the set of planets and stars, there's still something left. That empty stage is space, and it exists.
Yeah.
Unchanging and eternal.
Yep.
Einstein's theory of relativity changed that.
Yeah, that's true.
It says that space and time make up that stage together, and they aren't the same everywhere.
More of a 3D type
things
thing.
On the stage can affect the stage itself, stretching and warping it. If the old stage was like unmoving hardwood, Einstein's stage is more like a waterbed.
Oh, okay.
This kind of
That's
elastic
cool.
space can be
I never had a waterbed before, though.
torn and patched together, which could make wormholes possible. Let's see what that would look like in 2D. Our universe is like a big flat sheet. Bent in just the right way, wormholes could connect two very, very distant spots with a short bridge that you could cross almost instantaneously.
So it's like time travel. It's sort of like a
you to travel the universe
travel,
even
yeah,
faster than the speed of light.
Sorry, it's not time travel,
So
but it's like
where
traveling.
can we find a wormhole? Presently, only on paper. General relativity says they might be possible, but that doesn't mean they have to exist.
E equals
General
MC
relativity
squared.
is a mathematical theory. It's a set of equations that have many possible answers, but not all maths describes reality. But they are theoretically possible, and there are different kinds.
Oh wow, there's different kinds.
The first kind of wormholes to be theorized were Einstein-Rosen bridges. They describe every black hole as a sort of...
Why does that look like a freaking sun?
Universe. Let's try to picture them in 2D again. Empty space-time is flat, but curved by objects on it. If we compress that object, space-time gets more curved around it. Eventually, space-time becomes so warped that it has no choice but to collapse into a black hole.
I love the music.
Barrier forms, the event horizon, which anything can enter, but nothing can escape.
Oh, heck no.
Singularity.
You can't escape that.
But maybe there is no singularity here. One possibility is that the other side of the event horizon looks a bit like our universe again, but mirrored upside down, where time runs backwards.
Okay, so it is like time travel. I was right.
Fall into the black hole.
I was right.
In the parallel universe with backwards time,
In a way?
the mirror black hole is spewing things out a bit like a Big Bang.
Okay.
This is called a white hole. Unfortunately, Einstein-Rosen bridges can't actually be crossed.
What?
It takes an infinite amount of time to cross over to the opposite universe, and they crimp shut in the middle.
White hole?
If you go into a black hole, you won't become the stuff coming out of the white hole. You'll only become dead.
Damn.
So, to travel the cosmos in the blink of an eye, humans need a different kind of wormhole, a traversable wormhole.
Ah. So white hole is the good hole, black hole is the bad one. Wow, that's racist.
Description of our universe, then we could be lucky,
lucky,
and our universe might even have a tangled web of
On
countless
display the route.
wormholes already. Shortly after the Big Bang, quantum fluctuations in the universe at the smallest scales, far, far smaller than an atom, may have created many, many traversable wormholes. Threaded through them are strings, called cosmic strings.
Wow.
In the first billionth of a trillionth of a second after the Big Bang, the ends of these tiny, tiny wormholes were pulled light years apart, scattering them through the universe.
Oh, wow.
If wormholes were made in the early universe, whether with cosmic strings or some other way, they could be all over, just waiting to be discovered.
Oh, wow.
One might even be closer than we realize. From
Really?
the outside,
Jupiter?
black holes and wormholes can look very similar, leading some physicists to suggest the supermassive
white holes
black
are-
holes in the center of galaxies are actually wormholes. It will be very hard to go all the way to the center of the Milky Way to find out, though, but that's okay. There might be an equally extremely hard way to get our hands on a wormhole. We could try to make one.
Really? You can make a wormhole?
To be traversable and useful, there are a few properties we want a wormhole to have.
Okay.
First, it must obviously connect two distant parts of space-time.
Yeah.
Like your bedroom and the bathroom.
Okay.
Or Earth and Jupiter.
Oh, man. That is
Second,
so sick.
it should not contain any event horizons, which would block two-way travel.
Okay.
Third, it should be sufficiently sized so that the gravitational forces don't
Oh.
kill human travelers.
Damn.
The biggest problem we have to solve is keeping our wormholes open.
Yeah.
No matter how we make wormholes, gravity tries to close them.
Oh, yeah.
Gravity wants to pinch it closed and cut the bridge, leaving only black holes at the ends.
Freaking gravity.
Whether it's a traversable wormhole with both ends in ours, or a wormhole to another universe, it will try to close unless we have something propping it open.
Oh, wow.
For very old string theory wormholes, that's the cosmic strings job. For man-made wormholes, we need a new ingredient: exotic matter. This isn't anything like we find on Earth
What's exotic
or
matter?
even antimatter. It's something totally new and different and exciting with crazy properties like nothing that's ever been seen before.
What type of matter is that?
Exotic matter is stuff that has negative mass.
Ah.
Positive mass, like people and planets and everything else in the universe,
Yeah.
is attractive because of gravity.
Yeah.
But negative mass would be repulsive. It would push you away.
Okay.
This makes
Simple.
a kind of anti-gravity that props open our wormholes. And
So-
exotic matter must exert enormous pressure to push space.
So how do we get that?
Greater even than the pressure at the centers of neutron stars. With
Damn.
exotic matter, we could weave space-time however we see fit.
Oh, that's evil.
We may even have a candidate for this exotic matter, the vacuum of space itself. Quantum fluctuations in empty space are constantly creating pairs of particles and antiparticles, only for them to be annihilated an
Yeah.
instant later.
Yeah.
The vacuum of space is boiling with them, and we can already manipulate them to produce an effect similar to the negative mass we're looking for.
Okay.
We could use this to stabilize our wormholes.
Yeah.
Once we're keeping it open, the ends would start together, so we'd have to move them around to interesting places.
Okay.
We could start by wiring the solar system, leaving one end of each wormhole in orbit around the Earth. We could fling others into deep space. The Earth could be a wormhole hub for a vast interstellar human civilization spread over light years, but only a wormhole away.
Oh, that's
However,
hella scary.
Wormholes have a dark side. Even opening a single wormhole kind of breaks the universe in fundamental ways, potentially creating time travel paradoxes and violating the causal structure of the universe. Many scientists think that this not only means they should be impossible to make, but that it's impossible for them to exist at all.
Why?
So for now, we only know that wormholes exist in our hearts and on paper in the form of equations.
Wow.
We know you want to know more about universe stuff, so we're trying something new. Kurzgesagt and Brilliant are collaborating on a 6-part video series about...
Alright. yeah, I think the rest just talks about him just like, you know, talking about if you want to learn more about wormholes. So it looks like wormholes don't even exist. It's just a thing that scientist Einstein, you know, made up, saying that you can time travel, or like it's like me right now having a wormhole in my in the window right now, or in the wall, and I can time travel from here to go to space or something like that. And I need a negative cell. Is that what it's called? I forgot what it's called. Like there's anti-mass. Oh no, extra mass or anti-mass. No, I forgot what it's called, but it's that and something mass or cell that can open that can keep the wormhole open, because gravity tries to, you know, cut it off, because, you know, gravity always pushes in, you know what I'm saying? So it's just natural for them, you know what I'm saying? Freaking gravity. But seriously, yeah, this is very interesting, you know what I'm saying? I am glad to be your teacher for today. Thank you, in a nutshell, for being my teacher for this Sunday afternoon. I had a feeling that wormholes were something just made up from like movies and stuff like that, or whatever, or scientists, but like, yeah, man, if we can figure out if wormholes really do exist, because black holes exist, white holes apparently exist as well, which are apparently safer than black holes. You can die in a black hole, you can be safe in a white hole. If those exist, I feel like a wormhole probably can exist, but it's just that we don't know where it is or where we can find one. Because, like, as soon as we can find out if there is a wormhole out there, that's going to be absolutely nuts. That's going to be to the point where other alien life form will come from wherever they are, light years away, to get to Earth. Just like that. I think like that's the only way that aliens can actually come. Because, you know, if they're like light years away, aliens can probably come through years and years just to travel no place. Wormholes can probably make it really quick, very easy. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just rambling on at this point. I just don't know. But yeah, comment down below. Do you think that wormholes really exist out there? Do you think that we can actually figure this out, or scientists can figure this out? Do you think that this will be safe for us? Because there is some, like, you know, it can mess with time travel, you know what I'm saying? And that can be very bad for us, and it can mess with the future. But what do you guys feel about wormholes? Sorry. What do you guys feel about wormholes? Thank you guys for watching as usual. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Love you guys so much. Let's see if we get let's see if we get 100 likes on this video. You feel me? Smash that like button, subscribe down below, and also remember to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Love you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, shout out to Jack7M on Twitter. He just posted this funny Super Smash meme thing for me. So yeah, you guys will see that right after this. So yeah, subscribe. Thank you Jack for this. If you guys if you guys want to make some Super Smash memes for me or whatever, then go ahead, go all for it. You guys can go check out some videos and go for it. I don't really, you know, that would be really cool. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And yo, bro, I'm done. Peace. You know, I need someone to make me a Super Smash meme. Like, I've been telling people to make one, but they don't know how to make one. So if anybody's out there that know how to make